I've had a Leaf since early 2015.
Liz Schwartz, who owns a small business on Oahu, says Hawaiian Electric fast chargers have made charging her EV a breeze.
The fast chargers are the best because you just stick it in and you see your battery just quickly fill up. And in that short amount of time, you can get a lot done.
Just one 15-minute charge is enough to provide drivers with over 40 miles of additional range. That's a trip from Hawaii Kai to Kapolei, upcountry Maui to the west side, or Kona to Waikoloa on Hawaii Island. There are Hawaiian Electric public electric vehicle fast chargers at malls and shopping centers across our service territory. They're great for people who are on the go. You can grab a quick charge between running errands or checking your email. There are more than 20 Hawaiian Electric chargers across the islands, and even more to come.
You're doing something good for the environment, which is a huge plus. Not ever having to buy gas is fabulous. I don't think I'll ever go back to gas.
To find a fast charger near you, go to www.hawaiianelectric.com/goev.